Hello guys, good day and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to expand this binomial expression. It is binomial because we have two terms. We have the first bracket and the second bracket. So what we see, everything in the first bracket is multiplying everything in the second bracket. Okay, so we have two ways to do this, which is basically almost the same. We're going to use the general one, which is called the FOIL method. The FOIL, the F for first. So we're looking at the first numbers, which is A and C. So inside the two brackets, what are the first numbers? A and C. We multiply them. A times C is what? AC. Okay. Then the O is for the outer numbers or the outside numbers. So inside the two brackets, which numbers are outside? We have A and we have D, all right? The outer numbers. So you can call it outer or you can call it outside numbers. So A is when you're getting into this bracket, what is the first number you get to? That is A. If you are getting to this bracket from that side, the first number is D. So the outside numbers A and D, we multiply to get AD. The next we have here, it's our I. So what does I mean? The inside numbers, right? So inside will be B and C. They are the two innermost numbers. So B times C, BC. You may ask, why are we getting BC and AD? Remember, A times C is going to give us AC. Whenever you multiply numbers in math or letters, variables, the multiplication sign moves away. Okay. Then finally, we have the L, which is what? The last numbers. The last numbers. So what do you think they will be? The last numbers we have will be B and D. So inside this bracket, the last number is B. Inside this bracket, the last number is D. So B, D. Therefore, if you memorize this, the FOIL method, you should be able to expand any given binomial expressions given to you. All right. Please watch the other videos where we use this to solve or work out different sums. But now let us look at a second approach or second way we could have solved this. So we have okay, let me clean it here. We have the same set of questions, A plus B, it's multiplying C times D. Now, the general rule or what you can use apart from this FOIL method, since the first bracket is multiplying the second bracket, you can take the first number. So A will multiply everything in the second bracket. This A is multiplying everything here, C and D, all right? Then plus, if the sign was minus, it was going to be minus B, but it's plus. So it's going to be plus B. It's also multiplying everything in the second bracket. So what do you see? A and B are outside. Then the second bracket, C and D, it's what we have here. If you expand or if you multiply out this, we will get the same answer as what we got first. A times C, AC, right? So first numbers, do you see that the first it comes in? A and D, outside numbers, A and D. So A times D, AD, AD. Plus B and C, first numbers, BC, plus B and D, BD. And this is the same answer as we got in the other method. So you can expand it like this, taking each term at a time and multiply it out, or go by the FOIL method and you get it right. This is for only binomials. However, you can be given three terms like A plus B plus C multiplying E plus F. Here, the FOIL method will not work. So stick to the second method where we have A, first number will multiply everything in the second bracket, E plus F. Then you come back, you take the second number B, that will also multiply everything in the second bracket, E plus F. Plus, you take the third number, which is C, that will also multiply everything in the second bracket. When you're done, you only expand or multiply out. A times E, AE, plus A times F, AF, plus B times E, BE, plus B times F, BF, plus C times E, CE, plus C times F, CF. And this becomes your answer since we are using letters. If you are using numbers, then you can still simplify further. Please watch the second video. See you there.